Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Dr. Adeel Shibli. I am a pulmonary critical care physician and I work here in Dallas, Texas, USA. I am triple board certified in internal medicine, pulmonary diseases, and critical care medicine. I also have a master's degree in Islamic studies, and I was looking for some PhD programs in Islamic studies when my friend, who alhamdulillah is a big scholar, he recommended me Hidayah Academy for Dars-e-Nizami. And I started that course about 2 years ago, and alhamdulillah, I am about to finish my second year. This is a beautiful journey and I enjoyed it so much that when Hazrat Shaykh Azhar Iqbal visited USA a little more than a year ago, we had a mashwara and we started a madrasa here in Dallas. It's like an on-site madrasa, and alhamdulillah we are about to finish our first year in the MIC Hidayah Academy Dallas. So my message to all of the viewers is, if you want to pursue the studies of Islam, Hidayah Academy offers a unique platform where you can get on-site or online studies.
इल्म हुनर का गहवारा, तारीख का वो शाहपारा है।